Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Redis cluster nodes from VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Redis cluster nodes from your VPS, begin by logging into your server using SSH. Use your preferred terminal application and connect to your VPS with the appropriate credentials. Once logged in, check the status of your Redis cluster by running the command redis cluster info. Review the output to confirm the nodes you want to uninstall. Next, note down the IP addresses and ports of the nodes that are part of the cluster. Before proceeding with the uninstallation, ensure you have administrative permissions on your VPS. Now, connect to your Redis cluster using Redis CLICH node IPP node port. Once connected, proceed to remove the node from the cluster. This can be done by running the command cluster forget node ID for each node you want to remove. You can find the node ID by using the command cluster nodes. After executing the removal commands, you should see a confirmation message. Next, check the cluster status again to ensure the node has been successfully removed. To stop the Redis server on the node you wish to uninstall, run sudo system to stop Redis. If you have additional nodes to uninstall, repeat these steps for each one. Once all nodes are processed, you can proceed to uninstall Redis from your VPS. To remove Redis from your server, use the command sudo apt-get remove Redis server or the equivalent for your package manager. After the uninstallation is complete, clean up any remaining configurations by deleting the Redis configuration files. You can usually find these files in the /etc/redis/ or similar directories based on your setup. Finally, restart your server to ensure all changes take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled Redis cluster nodes from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.